What's up, guys? I'm Andy and welcome to the channel. So this is my 2006 F-150, which I know you're not getting in the picture right now. If you've watched some of other videos and you know what it looks like. So we got a new part in today, finally, after a whole month waiting on it to ship and get to my house. So I'm pretty excited about this part. I've seen this particular piece on several of these trucks online, on YouTube. I've never seen a video of one, and I've never seen this in person. So I'm gonna get this thing opened up real quick and I'm gonna show you guys what it is. Just a quick update here. I've not got everything open. I've got the wiring harness still in the plastic, and I don't know what this is. All right, so I have the part installed. It is 2 days later, and here it is. I don't know how good you can see it. It's really bright out here. So hopefully the mic's picking up good. You can hear me. There's not too much wind noise. So here you go, guys. It's the 04 to 08 Raptor style grill for the F-150. These things are, it's ridiculous because, I mean, these things aren't very expensive for the newer model F-150s. And these are like 200 bucks on eBay. And I was able to finally keep waiting. I think I paid like $152 for this one. Or no, I think I paid $180 for this thing. I can't remember. Hell, it took a whole month, over a month, guys, to get this thing off of eBay. And so anyway, finally the wait's over. I got it installed. I got it hooked up. The LEDs are bright. They look great. The plastic looks good. It's nice flat black. It did come with a Ford lettering, okay, which are actually removable, the F and the R. It comes out of the box. It comes with these oval things. I don't really know what you call them, but anyway, I did have to install the F and the R on the grill myself. So, but anyway, that's it, guys. I'm gonna post some pictures in this video, just because, like I said, I don't know how well this thing's picking up, and my German Shepherd's going crazy. I think he sees my shadow. I don't know, he wants to get everything. So anyway, all right, so real quickly, like I said, I've never seen a video on this particular grill, okay, the Raptor style. I've seen pictures, I've seen, that's it, that's all I've seen. So I wanted to show you guys when this thing comes in. Hopefully you can see it. There's 3 LEDs, okay, and it has a wiring harness, and each LED has its own plug-in, okay. So it's got 3 plug-ins and it's got 3 adapters on the wiring harness, okay. So what I've done, I don't know if you can see, but I've zip tied it together, and then I've zip tied them up here to I had a hole in the hood part, so I zip tied it there to kind of get them out of the way, because they were catching on the hood latch right there. And then whenever you go to shut your hood, it wanted to catch right on your hood latch here. It was catching, wanting to pinch the wire, so you have to get them up out of the way, okay. I'm not sure exactly how to run this wire or where to run this wire, so all I did, I zip tied it to the top of the hood. I zip tied them together. There's a little rubber piece here, runs all the way across the grill. I zip tied them down to that, and then in the single part of the wiring harness, I zip tied there. And as you can see, when the hood's open, it has just enough slack. I ran it, you know, perfectly, so it can open up all the way. I zip tied it to my LED light bar wiring harness right here. So you can see I grounded it right here on the side of the frame, okay. And then I don't know if you can see down in there, but I just took the running light harness out, found the hot wire to it, spliced it in with some splicing connectors, and so basically when I turn my running lights on, the grill LEDs come on, okay. Also, I wanted to add in here really quickly, you basically have to put this whole thing together. It comes with new arms, mounting brackets, whatever you want to call them, so you have to take your whole entire factory assembly out. It does come with new bolts and nuts, okay. And of course, like I said, the wiring harness, the grill, the LEDs, the F&R letters, it comes with everything you need, guys, okay. If you do have this grill and you have any suggestions for running this wire, let me know, or the harness, excuse me. You know, but like I said, this was just the fastest, quickest way I could do it, and it's out of the way, so when I raise my hood, it's no different than having a hood stick or whatever you call them. There you go, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please smash that like button. Consider subscribing. I've got a lot of great videos to come on this thing. I've had a lot of people ask me for, you know, a walk around to discuss the build and all the things that I've done to the truck, and that's coming very soon, guys.